at Byteburst Engineering. Subscribe. Here we go. How to launch EC2 instance with Linux in AWS. Click on Launch Instance. Enter instance name. By default, Amazon Linux is selected. Scroll down. Click on Create New Key Pair. Enter key pair name. Make sure you select .ppk. Enter key pair name. Click on Create Key Pair. Click on Launch Instance. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. Instance successful. Scroll down. Click on View All Instance. Now refresh till status check is showing -2 check. Two halves checks passed. Now copy public IPv4 address. Now open PuTTY. Paste public IP address in it. Go to left tab. Open SSH. Open auth. Open credentials. Now select private key file by clicking Browse option. Select the key file. Click Open. Click on Open again. Now Linux terminal opens. Click on Accept. Enter EC2 user. Enter in keyboard. Wait for some time. We have successfully completed at Byteburst Engineering. Subscribe. Like, subscribe.